Hey guys, we're going to look at our new teen number today. It is the number 14. This is one of the teen numbers that is not quite as difficult because it tells us his name. Anytime we hear teen, we're going to have a 1 in the front, but this one also says its own name, 14. So you should be looking for a 4. This one says to make 14, write a 1 and a 4, then make a roar like a dinosaur. So we're going to do the pull down. We're going to do the pull down and over and down some more. That's the way you make a 4. 14, a 1 and a 4. This is how you spell 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14, a 1 and a 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, a 1 and a 4. To make 14, write a 1 and a 4, then make a roar like a dinosaur. Bye, guys.